Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Saint Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will start reteaching of maths lesson number 3, playing with numbers. Students, I will start reteaching lesson 3, okay, playing with numbers. First students, let's understand and remember what is factors and what are multiples. What is a factor? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of a number. And what are multiples? The number is a multiple of each of its factors. Okay? So example, like suppose if I say 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So the answer which you get is called as the multiple, and the numbers which you are multiplying is called as the factors. Okay? Let's recollect important facts of factors. Okay, first, 1 is a factor of every number because you can divide 1 by any number. It is a multiple for every number. And number is a factor of itself. Now suppose if I say a number as 13. So if I say the factors of it, it will be 1 into 13 is equal to 13. So the 13 is a multiple and 1 into 13. So every number has 1 and the number itself as the factor. Next, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. You can, any factor you take, you can divide that number exactly. You will not get a remainder. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. You cannot have factors more than the number. It will always be less, and the number of the factors will be always finite, means limited. You cannot have more factors. It will be according to the number only. Important facts of multiples, just opposite of factors. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Some multiples are always greater or equal to that number, whereas factors are less than the given number. The number of multiples are infinite. Factors were finite. Yes, number of multiples are infinite. You can keep on multiplying till infinitely without any stoppage. And every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. You are multiplying that number again and again. So understood the difference and the factors and the important facts of factors and multiples? Okay, very good. Show you examples of factors and multiples by solving a few sums. Now suppose I had to find the factor of 36. The first step is I told that the factor of any number is 1 and the number itself. So 1 into 36 is the factor compulsorily for all the numbers. Okay, next we continue. 2 also will go. 2 will be in the table of 18. 2 18s are 3 into 12. Okay, then next is 4 into 9. 5 it will not go. 6 into 6. This is a U method which you follow. So what are the factors of 36? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 2 times, not necessary to write. 9, 12, 18 and 36. So I had told that the factors are less than and limited. Okay, so it is limited. You cannot have more factors. Similarly, 1 and 85. So 1 and 85 is the factor of each other, and it is an odd number, so it will not go in the table of 2, 3, 4. So directly in the table of 5. 5 into 17. So, and it will not go in any other number. So the factors of 85 are 1, 5, 17 and 85. See, limited numbers. You cannot have more. This factor has little more factors. This number has only 4 factors. Sometimes even a prime number will have only 2 factors. Now for 70, 1 into 70, then 2 into 35. Yes, 3 it will not go, 4 it will not go, 5 into 14, 6 it will not go, 7 into 10. Okay, so now it will not go in any other numbers. So the factors of 70 are 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 14, 35 and 70. So students, see, every factor has 1 and the number itself, and they are limited. Now find the multiples. Multiples has the number itself and the next number 15. So multiples, you have to multiply it, the number, that many times. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75. They want only first 4 multiples, but I can continue with more multiples. So I had told that multiples are infinite, as they will keep on continuing further. Same way for the table of 9. 9, 18, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, and so on. Okay, similar for 20, yes, 40, 60, 80. They want only first 4, so I can write first 4, and or it can continue. So multiples are infinite. So with these examples, I hope you all understood the factors and multiples. Very good. Next, we move on to prime numbers and composite numbers. The numbers whose factors are only 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. They will not go in any other table except 1 and itself. So the examples for prime numbers are 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Whereas composite numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. So whichever numbers are not prime numbers are composite numbers: 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, etc. I'll show you more with examples later on. Important facts of prime numbers and composite numbers. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. It is called as a, yes, I had told you, it is called as a unique number. 2 is the smallest prime number, that is even. 2 is the only even prime number, whereas all the other prime numbers are odd numbers. Only 2 is a even prime number. Every prime number is odd except 2. So I think you all are understanding.